Hey everyone, Laura with my very own quilt shop. I am working on the Lil Kira shop sample today, so I thought I'd do a little video and show you how easy the cutting is using the Stripology Mini Ruler. So I'm gonna tilt the camera down here to my cutting mat. Okay, so I got the block segments made. So you make mirror images. So I've got this one and this one. If you can see those. You layer them together right side up and you nest these seams. Okay. And it's important that the instructions all tell you this. So the first cut, there's dotted lines here that you line up with the bottom of the block. So you do that. And then that should line up your points of your block with the 6.5 inch where you're going to make your cut. Easy peasy, the ruler doesn't move. So then you end up, and then you flip these around and sew them together, which I've already done with this block. This is what we're going for. This is the final. So this is where it gets really, really cool. So this has to be trimmed to 4, I believe. So right here, these dark lines, they are block sizes. So here's 3, 4, 5, 6. So what Gudrun tells you to do is line up, I think I'm supposed to start this way. I've put my ruler sticker here because this dashed white line going this direction and the dashed black line going this direction are critical for this process. So we're going to line up that black dashed line on our seam line. So it's going right along here. Then we're going to cut, and I've got, you can see I've got some overhang here and I've got a little bit over here. We're going to cut through the 4 and the 0, which I did not mark with a ruler sticker because they're real obvious, and I'm trimming the block. So that's what came off that side. Then we turn it around, and now we're going to use the white. So I look at my reminder, I'm going to line up my white, get that all lined up. And we're going to make the same 2 cuts. I've got the bottom of the block lined up with my solid black line, my white dashed. I'm going to go through the 4 and the 0, and voila, I've got my little block. And there was the mirror image block of those 2. So, super slick to use the Stripology Mini Ruler. This is the first time I've used it to trim up blocks. I've used it to subcut using the 1/8 and 3/8. I needed 3/8 inch squares, and it was super slick. It's got the Creative Grids gripper on it, so it does not move. See, I have to push. I'm pushing really hard, and it does not move. These little ones are a very economical $40, which probably doesn't seem that economical for a ruler, but it has so many purposes, and they're just so well made. This side has 0, half, 1, all the way up to 6.5 inches, and then this side goes in 1/4 inch increments. So you've got 1/4, 3/4, 1 1/4, all the way across for small blocks. If you were only going to own one and needed it for small things, this would be it. I've currently got, I think, 4 or 5 in stock in the shop. They are $40 worth every penny. So that is just one way that you can really, really use this ruler. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So there you go. Hope this helps you.